Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This is your safe space to regulate, reset, and return to calm. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. Now exhale softly through your mouth. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel your breath in your belly. This is your anchor. You are here. You are safe. Now place one hand over your heart and one on your belly. Breathe slowly, deeply. Let the exhale be longer than the inhale. This tells your nervous system it's safe to relax. It's safe to release. With each breath, feel a wave of calm wash over you. Imagine any tension in your body, like static or fizzing energy. With your next exhale, let that static shake out. Feel your jaw relax, shoulders soften, hands and feet release. You can even move a little, gently sway, wiggle. Let the body complete its cycle, resetting, releasing, rebalancing. Now visualize a soft glow wrapping around you like a blanket made of light. This is your safe container. It holds you with love, with presence, with peace. Whisper softly to yourself, I am safe. I am held. I am home in my body. Let it land. Let it soothe. Come back to your breath, back to your body. Notice the quiet within you, the slow rhythm, the calm. You've just reset your system. You're back in balance. Take one last deep breath. Feel how far you've come in just 7 minutes. Thank you for taking care of yourself. This is Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, stay grounded, stay kind.